Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss about binary numbers. Now, the various points which I am going to discuss under binary numbers are decimal number system versus binary number system, then the conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers and vice versa, and binary operations which include addition and subtraction of binary numbers. Now, what are these binary numbers? Usually we usually use numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to etc. 9 when we write any number. So that number system is called decimal number system. On the other hand, in binary numbers, we use only two digits, namely 0, 1. So what is the use of these binary numbers and the use of these two bits called 0, 1? In today's world, everyone is highly dependent on the computers. Now, these computers use these bits, these binary numbers 0 and 1 to receive the data, process the data and give the output. It becomes easy for the computers to do all these operations or activities in a rapid manner when there are only two numbers, namely 0 and 1. Now, this 0 signifies off and 1 signifies on. So hence the binary numbers have become highly useful for various computer operations. Now let us see one by one. The first topic I am going to discuss is decimal number system versus binary number system. As I already told you, the decimal number system uses all the 10 digits. It uses 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we usually write numbers using all these digits and it is to the base 10. On the other hand, the binary number system uses only two digits, that is 0 and 1, and it is to the base 2. Now, as I already told you, the decimal number system is to the base 10. So, the number 346, we usually write 346 in the expanded form as 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 6 into 1. As I already mentioned, the decimal number system is to the base 10. So, hence 346 can be written as 3 into 10 raised to 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0, which is nothing but 300 plus 40 plus 6, which gives 346. This is the reason why we say decimal number system is written to the base 10. Now let us see how the binary number system differs from decimal number system. The binary number system, we have to write the numbers to the base 2 and uses only 2 digits. Next we will see the conversion of binary number to a decimal number. Since the binary numbers are written to the base 2, we can either start with the rightmost number. We can either start with the rightmost number, multiply with this 2 raised to 0. Then we move on to the left. Then we take the second number and multiply with 2 raised to 1 plus third number multiply with 2 raised to 2 plus and so on until we multiply the nth bit with 2 raised to n minus 1. If we do this operation, we will get the decimal number, that is the corresponding decimal number of the given binary number. The given binary number is to the base 2. So hence 1101 to the base 2 is nothing but this this 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus this 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus this 1 into 2 raised to 0. So we know that the first one 1 into 2 raised to 3 is 8. 1 into 2 raised to 4 is 4. And 0 into 2 raised to 1 is 0. And 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 1. When we add all this, we get 13. So hence, the binary number 1101 to the base 2 is equal to 13 to the base 10. So this is how we have to convert a binary number to a decimal number. Now next let us see the conversion of decimal number to a binary number. In this conversion of decimal number to a binary number, we have to divide the given decimal number by 2 and write the remainder in the right hand side. Then the next quotient again we have to divide by 2, again write the remainder in the right hand side. This process has to continue until we get the quotient as 1. So here I have taken an example of the number 17, which is to the base 10. If we convert this 17 into a binary number, then I am dividing 17 by 2. The answer is 8. The quotient is 8 and the remainder is 1. Again I am dividing by 2. The quotient is 4 and the remainder is 0. Again I am dividing by 2. The quotient is 2, remainder is 0. Again I am dividing by 2. The quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. So we have obtained the quotient as 1. So this is the place we have to stop our conversion and we have to write the binary number in this form. So the binary number of the given decimal number 17 is 10001. So hence again if you want you can recheck. We know the conversion of the binary number to the decimal number. So we can check. This is equal to, here it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits. So the fifth bit should be multiplied by 2 raised to 5 minus 1, which is 4, plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. So hence we get 16. All these are 0. 16 plus 1, which is 17. So hence we have obtained the binary number 10001 for the decimal number 17. So this is how we have to convert a binary number to a decimal number or a decimal number to a binary number. Now next let us see a slightly bigger number, 251. So 251 I am dividing by 2. I get 1, 2, 5 and the remainder is 1. Again dividing by 2, 62. The remainder is 1. Again dividing by 2, 31. Remainder is 0. Again dividing by 2, 15. Remainder is 1. Again dividing by 2, 7. Remainder is 1. Then again dividing by 2, quotient is 3, remainder is 1. Again dividing by 2, quotient is 1, remainder is 1. So we have obtained the quotient as 1. And this is the place where we have to stop and we have to write the, we have to follow this direction to write the binary number. So the binary number for 251 to the base 10 is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 to the base 2.